Now we move toward the next topic known as zero displacement. Zero displacement. Zero displacement. If we move from initial point to final point and returns back to the final point, then the displacement is said to be zero. If we move initial to final point and returns back up to the final point, then displacement is said to be or known to be zero. Is said to be zero. For example, if we move from A to B, where A is our house and B is our school, which are in a straight line 100 meter. And in the evening, we returns back again 100 meter. Then displacement is equal to AB minus BA is equal to 100 minus 100, 0. In the displacement, in the numerical of the displacement, we have to be remember, if we move away from the reference point, then we take the value positive. If we start moving toward the reference point, then we put the negative sign in front of the value. By that we simply get the correct answer. Now the next one is negative displacement. If we move away from the reference point and reaches to the final point, and now we start return back toward the initial point or the reference point. If we crosses the initial or reference point and move ahead or crosses the reference point, then the displacement is said to be negative. Said to be negative. For example, if we move from A to B 100 meter from our home to school, but when we returns back, we crosses our house and stop our friend's house, which is 10 meter far from our house. In this case, the displacement is negative because I say displacement is AB minus BC. AB plus BC. For an example, we write AB plus BC. Here we move away 100 meter and comes back by 110 meter because direction is opposite. So we take the negative sign and we get minus 10 meter. So we can say if we move away from the initial or reference point and returns back to the initial point and it crosses by a certain distance, then the difference of the value comes in negative, then we say the displacement is negative.